on the dashboard, driving fast. Can't wait to see the mangroves past. Seagulls flying with the lazy glide. Marco Island calling with the tide. Palm trees swaying under golden sun. Bicycles on the boardwalk having fun. Coconut drinks while the waves do dance. Saltwater breeze like a sweet romance. Can't wait to come home to Marco Island, where the sunsets paint the sky in gold. Laughter echoes through the ocean silence. It's where my heart's got stories untold.